Repairing leather car seats is a great way to extend the life of your vehicle's interior and maintain its appearance. Over time, leather can become damaged from wear and tear. With the right tools and materials, you can easily repair small cracks, tears, or discoloration on your own. Before beginning the repair, clean the leather seat to remove dirt and oils. Liquid soap is a versatile and mild cleaning product that can be used for a variety of cleaning tasks, including on leather surfaces. It is gentle enough to cleanse without causing damage. Mix liquid soap and water in a spray bottle and shake it well to combine. Spray this mixture onto the leather seats, then use a brush to gently scrub and remove dirt and oil. Follow up by wiping the surface with a soft cloth or sponge. Avoid using harsh chemicals that could damage or discolor the leather. Examine the size and depth of the damage to determine the best repair approach. Small tears or cracks can typically be fixed with a leather repair kit. Larger tears may require more extensive repairs or professional assistance. To apply leather filler on car seats, choose a leather filler that matches the color of your seat or is suitable for the type of damage. Using a spatula or plastic card, apply a small amount of the filler into the crack, tear, or hole, ensuring you fill the area completely. Smooth the filler out to make it level with the surrounding leather, and if the damage is deep or large, you may need to apply multiple layers, allowing each layer to dry before adding the next. Once the filler is fully dry, lightly sand the surface to ensure a smooth finish. Sanding involves lightly rubbing the surface with sandpaper to smooth out rough or uneven areas. It helps to create a seamless finish, ensuring the repaired area blends well with the surrounding surface. To apply leather dye, first ensure the repaired area is clean and dry. Leather colorant is typically thicker and provides more coverage, making it ideal for covering visible damage, like scratches, scuffs, or repairs. Use a sponge, brush, or soft cloth to gently apply the dye to the damaged or repaired section, working in small sections to ensure even coverage. Apply multiple thin layers if needed, allowing each layer to dry before adding the next. This will help the dye blend smoothly with the surrounding leather, restoring its original color. Finish by wiping off any excess dye with a clean cloth for a consistent and polished look. This simple process helps restore the appearance of your car seats without needing professional help. By following these steps, you can restore the look and comfort of your leather car seats without needing to replace them entirely.